You probably have an idea for an app or a software that's gonna change the world, change the way all of us live, and it's gonna be a new Facebook or Instagram. But is it? In this short video, I'm gonna show you the way how you can actually validate your idea and know if you are building an actual new Facebook. Hi, my name is Fran and I build softwares for a living. And in this video, we're gonna talk about idea validation and you actually understanding what it takes to build a new Facebook, and does the market actually wants a new Facebook or any app or software idea that you have in mind. In my career, I validated hundreds of ideas, and also I had to decline hundreds of ideas that other people thought they are genius, but the market actually didn't want them. And the best way to validate the idea is to run a Facebook ad campaign. So the way you're gonna do it, you don't have to be a marketing genius or a PPC ads genius. Only thing you have to do is you have to have a little bit of money and a landing page that looks like you have a finished product, a finished tool, or a finished software. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna head out to your Facebook manager, you're gonna create one campaign with one ad set and 3 different ads. So let me try to evaluate this. So Facebook campaign is just the objective, what you're trying to do with this ad. So you're gonna run a Facebook campaign that's objectified for leads, because we're gonna try to generate leads with this. Once you do that, you're gonna create one ad set. What are the ad sets? Ad set is the level in the advertising campaign where you're putting in your geographical or demographical hints, what you're trying to tell Facebook that you're looking for. So this is where you're gonna find your targeted market. So let's say we are building a tool in the e-commerce industry. We're gonna target people that are, let's say, from 30 to 60 and that are interested in e-commerce and online businesses. And then we're gonna have 3 ads with 3 different landing pages. So usually what we like to do when we have someone to build their software for throughout our company called Softify, we get an entrepreneur or an online creator that's looking to build a software and they give us their idea. So what we do then is we bring them on a call and we take their idea and we give them 2 different ideas that we think potentially, based on our years of experience, could work as well. And then once we have 3 different ideas to solve one specific problem for the industry with 3 different links, and we try to generate traffic on those landing pages. So let's say, for example, our client had the idea to build a tracking tool. So we're gonna give him an idea to test out, does the market want an AI tracking tool? And also to test the idea, does the market want a manual tracking or maybe content tracking? We're gonna give them 2 ideas and we're also gonna incorporate their idea. After we send the campaign out, we're gonna monitor the results. If his idea gets more opt-ins, so more people go on his landing page, leave the email, and they try to actually get his software, we're gonna build out his software. That means that the market has validated the idea. That means that the market actually wants the software that he is trying to build. But if, for example, they start to opt in on our ideas more, we're gonna build what market actually wants. Because when online entrepreneurs and digital creators come to Softify and they're looking to build their software, they just want something that's gonna create them a monthly recurring revenue and something that they will be able to exit one day. Because if we don't build something like that, it's not gonna be successful. So that's the way how you're gonna be able to tell if any of those 3 ideas are working. But hey Fran, what if none of those ideas works? That means that the market is actually not looking to solve that specific problem. If we are trying to solve a problem that market already has solution for, let's say we are trying to build a new ad platform, why would individuals or businesses actually want a new ad platform where TikTok and Facebook and YouTube have so much traffic that building a new platform will require so much resources, so much funding, and it's gonna take us years and years potentially to build maybe half of what Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube built in the last couple of years. So we don't waste our clients' time or our clients' resources if we don't have the idea validation. So as you're gonna probably be doing this by yourself, you will have to rely on your own metrics. You will have to rely on some of the metrics that Facebook is gonna give you. So let me give you a breakdown of the metrics that you want to be looking into. If your CTR, which means a click-through rate, is above 2%, that means that the market is really interested and they're clicking on the ad to see what this tool is about. So this is giving you a green light. If your CPC is below $1, that means that the market is again giving you a green light. And if your cost per lead is below $5, that means that you have validated successfully your idea. That means that the market actually genuinely wants something like that. So you will have to rely on those statistics. What we in Softify are relying on, we are relying on the past data from all the tools that we built previously and from all the successful launches, scales, and exit schemes that we did with previous clients and with their softwares. And that's basically it. That's the best way for you to validate your idea and know does your app or tool or software is actually something that the market actually needs. And that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Press like, subscribe, comment, tell us what you think about this. I'll be more than happy to have a discussion with you in the comment section. And if you're looking for a company that's gonna successfully build and scale your software in less than 30 days for extremely affordable prices, check the link in the description. You're gonna find our company Softify. You can pop us a message and you can check out what we are doing. See you in the next one.